This is a Hughes Laboratories public warning system broadcast. This broadcast was activated by the Hughes Laboratories Incident Control Unit in accordance to our standard operations procedure. Our local channels around the incident site are broadcasting this message. If you are not sure whether this warning concerns you, switch to your local news channel. This broadcast will now relay important information. It is critical for your survival to follow these instructions. Disregarding may lead to unnecessary fatalities. Seek shelter immediately. If you are not in a building, it is vital for your survival to find an enclosed space. Close all doors in your building. Locking them is recommended. Close and cover all windows in your building. Locking them is recommended. Deactivate all equipment used for air exchange with the atmosphere outside the building. Deactivate all sources of light and noise. If an unknown subject outside of your shelter requests access, do not respond. If an unknown subject is seen outside your shelter, do not interact with it. If noises of an unknown subject are heard outside your shelter, do not attempt to interact or communicate. If members of your group plan on leaving the shelter, try to convince them to stay. If you or members of your group have to leave the shelter, make sure to agree on a password and remember each other's voices. If a member of your group goes missing outside the shelter, consider them lost. If a member of your group goes missing inside the shelter, exercise extreme caution. If an unknown subject is attempting to enter your shelter, hide. If an unknown subject manages to enter your shelter, run. Do not react to these forms of all clear alerts. All clear alerts transmitted by normal EAS. All clear alerts transmitted by loudspeakers. All clear alerts transmitted by non-technical or organic sound equipment. If the situation is contained, Hughes Laboratories incident response units will locate and clear out survivor locations. The IRUs are equipped with equipment which allow them to localize any subjects that are still alive. If you encounter IRUs outside of your shelter, approach them slowly and follow their orders. If they ask you to return to your shelter, comply. If you can't return to your shelter, they will try to evacuate you. Hostile or aggressive actions taken against Hughes Laboratories personnel during this situation are considered a threat and will be met with deadly force. This broadcast is not a test. Exercise extreme caution. This broadcast is not a test. Exercise extreme caution.